Hi, and welcome to Cajun Cooking TV. I'm Beryl Stokes, and tonight I am making one of my favorites. It's coconut shrimp. I'm kind of channeling Margaritaville today and wanting to go to the beach, so it's time for some coconut shrimp. All right, I have all my ingredients here. I have 1 pound of large Gulf shrimp, and earlier I deveined and peeled them and also butterflied them. And then all my other ingredients are here. I have a 1 cup of flour, and I have some milk here with 2 eggs. I'm gonna mix those up. And then I have some coarse grated up crackers, I almost say carrots, crackers. And then some sweetened and shredded coconut. So let me get all these things prepped, and I'm gonna show you how to batter all this together. So I had some saltine crackers here. My original recipe called for Panko breadcrumbs, but our resources in the pantry are limited. So I actually found a substitute with saltine crackers in the food processor. So we'll just go with that. So I'm gonna add to it my sweetened coconut. Got it all flaky. Sometimes it tries to stick together. So I'm gonna get this mixed up. Oh, I have some seasoning too. I have a little bit, a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of Tony Chachere's Creole seasoning, but if you have just cayenne pepper, that will work too. You really want a sweet and hot flavor. So I'm mixing that up good. So I got my fresh shrimp here, and this is my battering station. So I'm gonna go 1, 2, 3, and then it'll be ready to put in our oil here in the Fry Daddy. I have it turned on already, and I just filled up with canola oil up to the fill line. So that's only about 1/3 of what this pot holds, because you got to leave room, for it to bubble up. So first thing you do, you go 1, 2, 3. You dip in flour, which kind of puts a coating on the shrimp to kind of dry it out, and also helps for the egg to stick. And then we're gonna batter them in our mixture here with coconut. It's gonna be a messy job, but somebody's gotta do it, because Mike Stokes is sitting over there with his arms folded. So I have to do all of these. It's probably about 20 or so. So you just go 1, dip it through here, and 3. Get it good and coated. So I'm gonna go ahead and put in about 5 of our shrimp, and the oil is ready to go. And it's only gonna take about 2 minutes. They're gonna turn brown and float. I think that's 5. You just wanna do a few at a time. Let's see what, oh yeah, oh yeah. That don't take long at all. Beautiful. I've been missing the Roux 61 the past couple weeks. They did just reopen for to-go orders. So maybe sometime this week Mike and I can order lunch, and I'll get some of their coconut shrimp, because they are awesome. And I've tried coconut shrimp at both Margaritavilles, any other place I find it, but Roux 61 is the bomb. Love it.
You're on, girl. Yes.
Awesome. And I'm super excited because I looked at the clock and I think we made this in like less than 30 minutes. That is super awesome. So these shrimp, the coconut shrimp, fried up really quick. So it only took like 1 to 2 minutes because by the time I had butterflied, I mean, you know, it made it much thinner. So it was a quick fry. But they are awesome. Mike's already been in them. And so I took some hot pepper jelly and heated it in the microwave for just like 30 seconds and stirred it real well to loosen it up. And we have some delicious, which ones are the cooler ones?
I forgot.
It's probably these. I don't want
One side, one end or the other.
one end or the other. Super quick and easy. I swear, this was so easy. Oh my God. I can't even believe my eyes or my tongue. It's pretty freaking awesome. Well, folks, we did it again. We made a restaurant quality meal for coconut shrimp. So we thank you for joining us on Cajun Cooking TV. Be sure to like or subscribe to our channel. We post videos like these all the time, and we hope you enjoy them.